Thank you for purchasing the Radius Maker. In this short video, I'll show you how to install and set it up. What you get in the box is you get the actual Radius Maker itself with the Allen key built into it that adjusts this bar in and out between 14 to 30 inches outside to outside for double lines. You get four 3/4 inch washers to raise the gun up if your line is too narrow. You get the T-piece and you get the arm. So the way you do it is come over to your machine, slide the T-piece in the back gun holder, keeping this just slightly off the rear wheel. Tighten that up. Then what you're going to do is back this knob off. You're going to take the bar with the bend in it, and you're going to slide it from the back side of the mount so the bar is kind of even with the handlebars. You can adjust this later. Tighten that knob up. Now what you do, you take the Radius Maker itself, slide it over the bar, pivots perfectly. Then what you do is you take your gun holder, the tip holder, see if I can do it on this gun. You turn it so it looks like that. So it's 90 degrees from where you normally do it. Then you install the gun in the holder down here, back this knob off, put the gun in just like a standard gun holder. If you have an older gun, if this trigger is not tight enough, if it's clapped out and needs to get rebuilt, what we can do is put the gun in there, loosen this screw here, tighten this cable up so the trigger is tight but it's not activated. This way when you pull the trigger, it sprays the gun. So you pull the trigger, rotate it, release it, and that's it. I like to use the laser point lasers with these. Just think it does a better job. It's more accurate, more faster. It's just a better overall system. You can do radiuses every 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Most people see my videos on these things. And you just keep running down the line. But that's pretty much it. If your line is too narrow, all you have to do is take this off, open your bag of washers, take a couple washers, slide it over the pin, and drop the Radius Maker back over it again. I found that a 319 at between 1600 to 1800 PSI usually works the best. More accurate if you use a newer tip than an older tip, because sometimes the more you use it, the wider the line gets. But that should be it. If you need to go up, down, it's just a matter of adding the washers into it, or removing washers in. Start in the back of the parking lot, get it dialed in back there, and then you're off to the running. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.